Hey yo guys, and welcome back to another video of Private AK. And in this video I'm going to draw nature. Yep, you heard it right. So nature is one of my weakness in art, and I was thinking of overcoming it and doing a video about it and drawing it. So this is what, yeah, you're watching the video, right? So this is the first time I'm going to draw nature, and I hope you'll enjoy. It won't be the best, but still, I'm just working on myself, and we should be good at everything if you're good at art. So yeah, so these are the colors I'm going to use for my nature art. And by the way, I'm going to do it freehand without any pencil lines or construction lines, straight away. So for the mountains, I'm using some of the blue grays and cool grays shades from 1 to 8. And then I'll create the trees. For the trees, green and the brown shades, for the branches and stuff. And I'm just going to keep the river and the sky the same shade and same color. The sky should be a little bit darker, and then I'm going to just give it a little bit of brownish land, sandy land sort of thing. And yeah, so this is the first time I'm going to do this. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the video, and well, wish me luck.
Usually, guys like using you. We don't gotta talk about it. I just wanna talk with you. Look, I know you ain't used to it. For a boy to be a gentleman and open doors for you. I know you ain't used to it. Getting ready, pick you up, go to dinner, 5 course for you. I know all the other men in your life come and go. You could never find a one, but I promise you, just give it a chance. Opposites attract, you my moon, now I'm your sun. Look, change your tie so we can ride a wave. Good girl, but you love to misbehave. If I ever catch another trying to disrespect you, I'ma have them run and set the pace. I know your type, you can't deny. This kind of love is different. You try to find some peace of mind, just take your time. I know you're not used to it. Feeling ain't the same, and it's all because I know you're not used to it. Never been the type just to fall in love. I know you're not. Usually, guys like using you. We don't gotta talk about it. I just wanna talk with you. Look, I would never be the cause of issues, and I could never be the cause of tissues. If we ever had an argument or problem, I would sit you down and talk it out with you. Girl, I'm so transparent, I can tell when you're mad, I can hear it in your tone. If we gotta work it out, fuck a text, fuck a phone, I'ma pull up to your home. 10 toes down, all in, do or die. I got hella plans for just you and I. From a 96 Honda till the wheels fall off, to the red carpet, car door, suicide. I know your type, you can't deny. This kind of love is different. You try to find some peace of mind, just take your time. I know you're not used to it. all too much. Between the land and sea, face to face. Eyes the deepest blue, eyes that made me fall in love with you. And now it's hard to break. My feelings crash on you like waves. I may have dove too deep into you and me. Into the deep blue sea. Into the deep blue sea. Coast to coast, the miles that separate burn the most at night while you're away. And now it's hard to fake that I don't really feel the pain. I've just begun to sink into you. Those footprints will be gone with the waves that carry on in the same renewing motion, and our hearts left by the ocean. Those footprints will be gone with the waves that carry on.
Okay guys, so I think it's turned out pretty well, and like I know it's not the best and it's not the most good looking nature out ever. I'm not a Bob Ross, as you all know, but still it turned out pretty well, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.